Welcome back, Post-Pollock viewers. Dave Epstein here from the Post-Pollock firm in Roseland, New Jersey. Today to talk about a guy who calls himself Hellcat Mike. Hellcat Mike is, call him an influencer. He uses police chases that he's involved in, and he is not the police. He's the one being chased, to advertise cars he has for sale. Mike has run into a few legal problems recently. His real name's Michael Wilson. Let's watch some video and see what happened with Mike. I'll preface this by saying the video was taken quite a while ago.
With the Texas Highway Patrol was traveling west of Houston on I-10, a section of highway called the Katy Freeway. Famously, it's one of the widest highways in the world, with up to 26 lanes, but currently is undergoing major construction until 2026. The troopers spotted a Dodge Hellcat with a suspicious license plate and something appearing to hang out of the trunk. Before the trooper even had a chance to engage his lights, the Hellcat punched it and the chase was on.
Today, 216, 1080, 1080, 910, westbound towards Brookshire, black Charger, New York plates, Mafia, westbound. Today, 216, we're still westbound on I-10, trying to get visual on the vehicle. I'm not sure if you can take the exit off towards 90.
As an aside, folks, if you want the cops to stay away from you, don't get a plate that says Mafia on it.
4150. He's still westbound on I-10, inside shoulder towards Brookshire. Westbound I-10, coming up to E-Blue, inside shoulder, passing all heavy traffic. Today 216, I'm switching over to Houston 1. Westbound on I-10, going towards Brookshire. He just hit a car, spin out. He regained control. He's still westbound on I-10. There's going to be a Dodge pickup, gray in color, hauling a U-Haul that he struck from behind. All right, we're coming to a stop. Phone stop. Get out the car! 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 Yes, sir. Get out! Turn around! Pull your hands up in the air. Who else is in the car?
My girlfriend.
Who else is in the car? All right, keep walking back. Face that way. Get back. Come back. Keep walking back. All right, pull your sweater up. All the way up. Over your head. Pull your sweater up over your head. I want to make sure you have any weapons. I don't care. Just pull it over. Don't do anything stupid. I'll shoot you, man. All right, you hear me? Take your sweater off. Take it off. There you go. Put your hands up. Don't do anything stupid. You hear me? Turn around. Give me a... Who was it in the car?
That's my girlfriend. She don't know nothing.
Okay. You're right here.
Make sure you got any weapons.
Today 216. I got one in custody. No weapons, right? What's that? Why is it wet?
I got my soda.
Huh?
My soda.
Alright. Get over here. Don't do anything stupid. Face that way. Who was in the car? You in the car? Are you the only one in the car? Alright, get out the car. Okay. You the only one? Nobody else? We'll see. I don't know yet. I'm just gonna place it in handcuffs.
Backpack. right, yo. Leave the side back there.
10-9, 10-9.
That's me. Put your backpack.
In a little bit.
GOE is almost there. That's all.
10-4. I got the front female passenger in as well. You're good? Are you good? Okay. Do you need a record? 216, Houston. Go ahead and send me a record from the location for the big release truck.
With the suspects in custody, troopers would soon uncover the shocking details of where the suspect got the Hellcat.
Boss man, it's nothing in there. I just knew I ain't had no business driving that car.
It's stolen?
It's my friend's car. Yeah,
Okay, just hang tight, just hang tight.
He had no business driving that car. No shit. Of course he didn't. Did you see how he was driving 102 miles an hour on a highway that's under construction and they have those temporary concrete barriers up? I'm sure most of you have driven under those conditions. Let's just say what happens is the lanes are narrowed drastically. You've got 2 lanes of traffic moving along. By the way, it looks like the police are blocking that lane of traffic. I'd hate to be behind all this stuff that's going on here because you're going to be stuck for a while. But he's driving in that tiny corridor that they create with police chasing him, doing 102. We'll find out why he stopped. I think it was probably because the car was partially disabled when he hit somebody. What a shock. He hit somebody. But, yeah, he shouldn't have been driving this car.
Can I put the sweater on, please?
Huh?
Can I grab this sweater? I'm not just being, I ain't even trying to wait for time. But I know I feel. I got her. Alright, I just wanted to get it
Well, I'll
off.
talk to you in a little bit, man.
What's up?
Let me put this over you.
Will she be able to get her back? And what about my dog?
In a little bit, man. In a little bit. I'll probably won't take her in.
Okay. What about my dog, though? Can she leave with my dog?
Yeah.
Hey!
I'll talk to her in a little bit,
Okay,
man.
thanks so much.
Take a seat. In there.
214 and 216, can you open our land driving? Or is it all blocked?
Yeah, I got you. I'll open. I'll start the floor. I'm sorry about that, guys. Y'all good? Nothing need medical attention, anything like that? No? Okay, I'm sorry about that. He hit you just right here when he tried to cut y'all off?
I gotta get the check. I gotta check the trailer too. It's a rental trailer.
Yeah. Okay. Well, if you want, we can walk it and that way we can visually see, okay?
She don't know nothing, boss. I feel. She don't know.
Hey, Alfonso. We're gonna search her, pat her down. We're gonna search her bags and everything in the car. And if there's no drugs or anything like that, then I'll let her. I'll release her. Okay.
Okay, come in.
Where's your driver's license? You got it on you or in the? Do you have it?
I didn't bring it. I just had my phone.
Okay.
I'd say.
All right. Well, we're gonna search the car anyways. Do an inventory. Are those the actual plates of that vehicle, the New York Mafia, or they're fake? Or
I had to go to the San Antonio car.
All right, folks, just briefly, let me say this. The police were involved in this chase. You saw somebody got hit. Now, there are protocols for the police on when they engage in a car chase. This one looked like it was by the book. What they're supposed to do, and I know there are different rules, and I don't pretend to be a police officer, is lay back when it's a crowded highway, try to keep up with the suspect, but don't try to like cut them off or ram into them or do something where there are other cars that could end up getting hit. Now, in this case, the car got hit anyway. I don't know. It looks like this guy had a pretty hopped up car here that was pretty fast. Police cars are supercharged too. Whether that they just couldn't keep up, but I'll err on the side, if I'm wrong, I'll err on the side of them being careful. But again, these people got hit. And this guy, so far, he's saying, I effed up, which is, again, remember, silence, shut up, don't say anything. Although I'm not too sympathetic to this guy because that could have been me, could have been anybody we love out on that highway.
I'll talk to you here in a little bit, man. Kiss. What we're gonna do, I want to take pictures and like search it better and all that when we get to the next. So I'm gonna take pictures real quick and then we'll relocate it.
I just realized why he pulled over, folks. His airbag deployed. I didn't see that earlier. So that's why he pulled over. He would have kept going.
It comes back to an expired temp tag. It's coming back to a Dodge Charger.
Bro, what's up with this?
I think it's like a parachute, maybe.
Hey, bro, take her cuffs off so I can put them on him.
Let me see. So I'm just taking them off right now. Okay, you're still detained. What's in the car that belongs to you? Louis Vuitton bag, your dog, and what else? Okay.
What you worried about? I didn't run from the police. You ain't never run from police before? You ever been in jail before? Did 6 years in the pen.
You said what now?
I did 6 years in the pen. See, I thought I thought there was a gun in that car. Oh man.
So we're gonna relocate the stop to a gas station further up ahead, okay? So depending on what's inside the vehicle when we do our inventory, I'll decide whether to let you go or not. Okay? Hey, way station. Way station.
Troopers trained in traffic incident management work quickly to reopen lanes to avoid dangerous secondary crashes that frequently occur in traffic backups.
This is bad for business. I work on Hellcats for a living.
Well, I was just gonna give you a warning for the license plate cover, and if your registration doesn't come back on that New York. So that was gonna be the reasons why you got stopped. But I saw you through the rearview mirror. You looked at me, and then you took off. Those vials inside the driver's side door, are those prescribed to you, or did you get those illegally? Okay. Yeah. So your girl was saying that this car is yours. It's not yours.
Yeah, I mean, this is like my side chick.
Huh?
It's like my side chick.
Okay.
Oh yeah, y'all give her my keys. She can just go to my house.
Whatever you want to do, man.
Please. She be back to San Antonio.
Hey, but in all honesty, what you did was reckless. You know, you could have gotten yourself killed, your girl killed, the dog killed. You could have gotten other motorists killed the way you're driving. You know what I'm saying?
Not bad. I wish I could stop. I'm fresh. Like I just moved out here like a week.
From where?
San Antonio. Like I was going to San Antonio right now. That's where my shop is in San Antonio.
Okay. Do you have a Yamaha? Do you have a flashlight with you? You have a flashlight? Yeah. I want it back.
Where's the dog?
Oh, you took the dog is with Rogers.
Kenny Rogers?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I won't stay running either, because all the impacts they can tell. I'm sure you started with that.
Okay. Check everything.
What is this like?
Folks, just so you know, they are searching the car. Ordinarily, you get pulled over unless they have real probable cause to search your trunk. They need your permission to search your trunk. They can search the passenger part of the car, but not the trunk. They need your permission, or they need to get a warrant. If, for example, they have a canine dog around and the dog gets a hit on your trunk, then they can go get a warrant. You know, drug sniffing dog or bomb sniffing, whatever. But when you get towed, when your car gets towed, they have to conduct what's called an inventory search to find out everything that is in there to make sure there's nothing dangerous that could be dangerous to the tow truck operators, to the tow yard, and also to make sure they have an inventory of everything in there so somebody doesn't come along and say, oh, I had the Hope Diamond in the trunk. I had a gold bullion in the trunk. That way they take a video. Nowadays they take a video showing exactly what they found in there. That's why they're searching, and they're allowed to do that when they are taking the car in for impound, which they're allowed to do when somebody's evading arrest and moving at the speed that this guy did.
Parachute. Well, do we need consent if there's drugs? I mean,
Do you have drugs in there?
It smells like weed, and he has. Yeah. We don't need. Okay.
Yeah, there was a lot of steroids in there.
Yeah. So. Okay. All right. Just want to make sure.
Well, folks, apparently the police officers are not sure whether or not they have probable cause to search the trunk. If I were there, I'd tell them, if you're taking this into impound, you are allowed to inventory it and find out everything that's in there. I mean, they're just trying to dot their I's and cross their T's, but I don't think they need to say, oh, I smelled weed or I smelled this. They so far they found steroids, which are illegal, which you wouldn't necessarily smell, but that's where they are.
He said they were testing trends, so that's the illegal one. I mean, essentially they're both illegal if he doesn't have a prescription.
Yeah,
right?
you don't have a prescription for them. So these are for Mexico.
Yeah, so let's take pictures. You check underneath the seat just in case there's a gun.
Yes, sir.
Just want to make sure he doesn't have a gun hidden somewhere in here.
He said he was scared that possibly could have.
Right.
Boss man, can she take the backpack still? The black Louis Vuitton?
So he's saying, can she take the black Louis Vuitton?
We don't find that.
Yes, sir. My girlfriend can take it home if that's fine. That's just my car keys in there. I mean, my house keys. And she can take it home, please.
This whole thing.
Yes, sir.
One thing, folks, the police officers should be using rubber gloves when they search that thing. And just for a variety of reasons, precaution. I think they should be treating it as a crime scene, but not a major crime scene, but they should be wearing rubber gloves for that.
It's a customer's car. I work on Hellcats. I panic as far as I put the bullet plate. I fucked up. I gotta pay for this, now because I'm doing work. Like I work on Hellcats, so I was gonna do some upgrades to it. That's why.
Your work don't involve joyriding.
Right.
I mean,
Correct.
like I can't talk to.
Correct. You're right.
Is your phone?
Yes, sir. That's my son.
Okay.
So I'm being charged with, boss?
Evading and for the controlled substance. Hey, I'm sorry. Are y'all taking the tow truck, using the tow truck, or are you gonna be able to drive it? We'll be able to drive. Okay.
I'm going to jail. I'm in a police car. Listen, I'm in a police car. I'm going to jail to Walden County for running from the police.
Fort Bend County.
For Fort Bend County. My phone failed at Bend. So listen.
Tell D I to give you Chelsea phone number, because she got my money. Chelsea, tell D I, make sure you get Chelsea phone number. I'm going to call you from the jail. I just tried to call Chelsea. All right, Mom.
You can't be on your phone without my permission, man. This will.
What y'all doing with the dog?
I let her hold my dog. That's a $17,000 dog. Please let her go home.
Going to the pound. So if they don't charge you with endangerment for it.
You said again?
Yes.
You said my dog's probably going to the pound?
Yes. Because of what you was doing, and that dog was in the back seat. That's endangerment to that animal. Which is another felony. So that dog's probably not going to get released to you.
No, it's not going to get released to me?
Probably not.
What do you mean? Like y'all gonna
It's
keep?
all up to him. I'm not.
Like y'all gonna keep my dog?
You're not gonna keep it, man. We're not the same.
No. I'm being
I said, release to your girlfriend.
Yeah, that's what he told me. He released to my girlfriend, man. All right, well, yeah, I'm gonna take his word.
I didn't even think about that. The endangerment of the dog, I guess that applies to the girlfriend. I don't know if she got charged with anything either, but I will say this. He is following the rule of staying even-tempered he's talking a little too much when he keeps saying, I effed up, when he's talking about, I work on Hellcats. He's trying to give some sort of explanation for his having this car and being in this car. It looks to me like it might be stolen. It might be, there's something not right about this. We'll find out in a few minutes. But, he's saying too much. He can always say it later if he cuts a plea deal, but he's already sort of sinking himself. Of course, the video doesn't lie either, and that's going to be a very significant factor. I'm sure the judge will look at that and look at his YouTube or Instagram posts too, because from what I understand, he does this a lot to advertise these cars that he wants to sell.
Cross my fingers, man.
That's fine.
I like to stay positive.
So that's the car not his. He works on Hellcats. That's what he does on the side.
Yeah.
And that's his customer's car.
He told me it was his brother's.
That's his customer's car.
Oh, he confirmed? He said that?
Yeah, exactly what he said.
Hey, so they're telling me that car is your customer's car?
Yeah, I work on Hellcats. That's why I was telling you we was walking away. Listen, I said my brother.
You said
my
it's
brother.
my brother's car.
Yeah, but I look at it like a brother.
So whose car is it?
It's my customer, man.
Customer's
I work on
car.
Hellcats for a
So it's not
living.
your brother, your actual brother.
Yeah, no, not my blood brother. I work on Hellcats for a living. I call him my brother. Like if you look at my Instagram,
Okay, so it's
I got a big following for working on cars.
What's your Instagram, man?
Hellcat Mike 2.
You got kids?
Got 4 boys. See, that's my. You see, I just posted on my thing right there. Yeah, I fucked up. Like I can honestly say I fucked.
I don't think that's insurance. You don't have insurance on this vehicle, do you?
Man, I've been having the car so long, you probably let it lapse, man. You seen the Instagram, so you see that's all I work on Hellcats. Damn it. Oh, I fucked up, boss.
Business.
I fucked up. I very much so fucked up, man. A lot of what I do is based on trust. That's, you know what I'm saying? So now it's all adding up.
Give you the $80 to $100 and something $1,000 car?
Yeah.
That's a whole lot of trust, man. And where'd she come in the picture?
That's just my side female. I've been on for a while. But she a good female, and I just fucked up right now. But I'm a good
It's a side female, but she's a good female.
person to have around, man. Like I make a lot of legal money, and
Nah, if you want to go. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, nah, teach me to.
I gotta show you how to do it.
Hey, appreciate it.
sorry, babe. You call your mom or something? Alright. Tell D that answer his phone, please. Alright. Fucking Michael, man.
Who's Michael?
Me. You know anything about this county jail? Like it's slow, like the county's slow. It's a little racist county.
No, we're not slow.
Watch too much YouTube. YouTube they get away.
Y'all take care.
Yes, sir.
Michael Wilson, also known by his Insta handle Hellcat Mike, was taken to Fort Bend County Jail and charged with evading arrest and possession of a controlled substance between 200 and 400 grams, penalty group 3. In Texas, a penalty group 3 drug is a substance that has an accepted medical use as well as a mid-level potential for abuse, such as anabolic steroids, Xanax, and Ritalin. Though he was originally denied bail due to his extensive criminal history, Michael's lawyer successfully argued that denying bail was a violation of Michael's constitutional rights. The court then set his bail at $250,000 and required Michael to wear a GPS monitor and to remain at home except for court appointments. After alleged violations of his bond agreement, his bail was revoked in April 2024. In May, the court set his bond at an aggregate $700,000. Michael entered a plea agreement and pleaded guilty to evading arrest in exchange for dropping the drug charge. Michael waived his right for his sentence to be decided by a jury and instead opted for the judge to decide his fate. After the judge saw Michael's Instagram account, featuring other videos of Michael advertising Hellcats by running from the police, he sentenced him to 10 years in prison. After his conviction, a bench warrant from Bexar County was issued. where, according to court documents, he will stand trial for engaging in organized criminal activity, allegedly stemming from a chop shop that he ran in San Antonio as the leader of a four-man car theft ring. Michael is also due to be sentenced after pleading guilty to evading arrest in Guadalupe County.
Well, there you have it, folks. The guy's got quite a career going. But interesting to me in that whole ending part where they talked about what happened to him. 10 years. He got 10 years for this. And you know what? He probably should. Now he's also facing receiving stolen property charge. I'm assuming that's what it is. He's getting stuff from a chop shop. For those of you who don't know, a chop shop is where stolen car parts are brought in and you put together an illegally made car with all stolen parts. You may have the basic frame or chassis, or maybe much of the car, but you need other parts. And you go out, somebody goes out and finds that make and model and year, and then they steal the parts and bring it in. By the way, they have serial numbers on most major parts of a car, so they don't match up. That's how they bust these places. But the most important thing is the judge got upset and really threw the book at him when he saw his Instagram posts. Now, that's the lesson to be learned, folks. All you YouTubers, Instagram people, TikTokers, when you videotape yourself doing this stuff, you may get a lot of hits, you may become popular, but if you eventually get caught, that's the exhibit, that's the evidence against you. And it's also going to influence a judge, like it did this judge, to throw the book at you because they see you're unrepentant, that you're not only unrepentant, you're making money off this stuff. So I'll say it again, knock it off. It's a dangerous thing to do. I hope you learned something from this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you next time. Please hit like and subscribe, and please leave your comments. Dave Epstein signing off for the Post Pollock firm. See you soon.